Who is it?
It is me. Hold me, love me, love me.
Oh, DJ, you always know just what to say.
I am here on a difficult, hard, I say, thing.
DJ, are you gonna ask me something after only one date? Well, the answer is yes.
No, I didn't come here to ask you something. I came here to tell you something, don't you know?
No words. Tonight is all about what you desire.
I desire to tell you the truth. I'm not being completely honest with you. I do not own a pizza franchise.
Oh, that's all right. I have a good job. I can take care of both of us.
I drive a moped.
I'll buy you a car.
I live with my mother.
You can move in with me.
I got bad credit. I snore. I move my lips when I read.
None of this matters to me, DJ. You see, I love you.
But you barely know me.
That's right. I barely know you. And even if you were Don Juan, I couldn't love you because I barely know you.
Who is this Don Juan? I know of no Don Juan of whom you speak.
Don Juan is the greatest romantic hero of all time. And if he were here right now, which he's not, he would tell you that love is the most precious human emotion. And you can't just conjure it up because it comes in its own time. And once you've had it and lost it, nobody can tell you how many Saturday nights it's going to be before you're ready to find it again.
Hi, it's me.
No kidding.
I'm sorry. I should have listened to you and stay out of your love life like you asked.
Nah.
Nah?
I had fun going out last night. And even though I'm not ready to fall in love quite yet, doesn't mean I shouldn't go out and have fun. My friends keep trying to tell me this. Thanks for being my friend.
You're welcome. So, next week, Dr. Jekyll. I'm only halfway through the book, but he seems like a really nice guy. And a doctor.
So from now on, no more watching me sleep.
You are killing my nightlife.
And no magic without clearing it with me.
You have my genie word of honor, which is worth nothing.
I won, and Travis is gonna have to change schools.
Why?
I can't believe you put the gun back in your mouth!
You hear that? She won. Oh, you want to be alone, Kay?